Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is TIMO TECH Electronics, the best car sound and security system suppliers. As you can see, this is our workshop. As you can see, so let me show you. These are the services we do. We do key cutting, key programming, sound systems, GPS trackers, car alarms, and car accessories. As you can see, okay, let me get you inside. This is TIMO TECH Electronics, the best car sound and security system suppliers. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see there, we have Tagger, XTC audio, Illumina 26,000 watts, and Sony there, it's a 1,000 watts, Power Base 20,000 watts, Pioneer 1,500 watts. We also have these AR routers. These are ones. Those speakers 6 inches we have Sony, and 6.9 speakers we have Sony also. 6 inches we also have Pioneer. And alarm system, this is a octopus alarm system. Okay, so we also have this one, it's a wiring kit, a 10 gauge wiring kit. Then we have this one, this is 8 gauge wiring kit. Mat flaps, Android trim plates, as you can see there at the bottom. These are Android trim plates, as you can see. So this one suitable for 2001 to 2007 Toyota Adrian. As you can see, it's a 9-inch. These are the trim plates. These are the used ones, so we changed from this, then we replaced with the Android radio. So on the display I have Aram Octopus, as you can see. We also have Android, LED gear knobs, Milano. This is Milano keyless entry, as you can see. We also have car moderators, car chargers, XTC 7,000 watts, Pioneer 4,500 watts. It's a flat seat. It's a flat sub under seat. We also have this one. It's a 4,200 watts. AR Android. We have IPS, 128 GB storage, 4 GB RAM. As you can see, let me take you here. Okay, so we also have that one. It's a Tagger MP5 with CarPlay, Black Spider. This is Venomous car audio. These are the tweeters, 3,000 watts max. And Android, this is 7 inches Android tweeters. We have this one, it's a TX350. Then we also have this one, Tismia. This is TS250. Very powerful. Power base, this is 24,000 watts. This is a monoclass D amplifier. It's a 1-channel. Black Spider Venomous car audio. This is very powerful, 10,000 watts, 1,050 RMS. Okay, so we also have this type. There's a little turbo timer, car bulb. These are LED bulbs, as you can see. Okay, so this one, it's a step down. It's a transform step down from 24 volts to 12 volts. Okay, we have very powerful machines. That one, that's AR trusted brand. It's a 10-inch self-amplified. This one, it's a double sub black spider, as you can see. So for the best car sound and security, you can visit us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is TIMO TECH Electronics. As you can see, TIMO TECH Electronics. Subscribe. Follow our channel. Subscribe to our channel. Every time we upload the video, we upload the goods we have, so that you get the notification. You can subscribe. This is very powerful. We have very powerful machines.